in the flight. Now, the skills that are used to flying these things are actually applicable to a lot of companies. So if you say, how can we move into this when it happens in the rest? Transferable to there is the knowledge and skill and knowledge. So when you learn how to fly these things, kahit mo actually nag-go, kaya na kayo.
Okay, given the opportunity, there is one away. Can anyone of you be challenged to fly that too? Is it paramount to this control the industrial drone that we saw? Yes, sir.
There's a lot more.
Yes, yes, yes.
That's true. I agree. And since we use cars, race cars and real cars, right? Those who are driving sticks, comparable to the real life, it will depend on the person. Whoever is using it.
I'd like to take this moment choose and to let everyone know about the Transformers Association for the Philippines. So actually, go FTI release, FTI don't really be talking about things like us. It's smaller and more lighter for like version of this. So this is really benefiting on the road support is what it looks like talaga. So we have some players from China, from South Korea, from the Philippines, who's yung pinaka-magaling na FPV pilot. So, to the kids out there, the kids, listen, siguro 7 and up, 6 and up kaya na. The drone programs in China, South Korea, and Japan have dominated all of the industry. And the top pilots there are teenagers. So, if you are a drone pilot and you are interested in FPV drone racing, you actually have to pathway to become a national athlete that is recognized by both the Philippine Olympics Committee and Philippine Sports Commission. So, sa hobby or sa pag-gusto sa passion sa pagpapalit ng drone, pwede kang maging atleta na nagre-represent sa atin. So, that's it.
Perfectly said. And everybody is beautiful dyan as a kumain kung saan lang everyone. Can I see the hands? Sino gusto lang kumain? Can I see the hands of all the kids who are interested, 5, 6, 7 years old? We're gonna look for you here. You talk to your kuya and titos. They're waiting for you. I invite you to go